Well, hello there. Welcome once more to Contro's Kitchen. And if this is your first time stopping by, I would like to say a very warm welcome to you. It is Ghana month. Our Independence Day is the 6th of March, so all through the month of March, we are going to be sharing some Ghanaian recipes. Today, we are making some Kelewele. Kelewele is a popular street food in Ghana made with ripe plantain. So I have my very ripe plantains here, not overly ripe, very perfect for this. And I'm going to be adding just a few ingredients. So very simple ingredients. You can see some onion, ginger, pepper. I'll add some black pepper as well. Few ingredients, but the taste is out of this world. So I hope you stick around and do this with me. All right, so I've washed my plantains and now I'm just going to peel and cut them up. I typically like to use the plantain skins to help, cut the plantains. I slit the plantain in half and now I'm just going to cut it now, trying to go a little bit in the diagonal. I guess that makes sense why I washed the plantains first. So just cut all the way down. And now we're gonna go in the diagonal again. So I'm going to use a half of my onion. Just cut it up. I'm also going to cut up my ginger root. Just cut it. That will help make sure that you don't have long strings in your ginger, especially if your blender is not powerful enough. So in my blender, I'm going to add my peppers. You want this to be spicy. Now I'm adding my onion and ginger. So I have 3 negro peppers, what we call mintia in Ghana. I also have 3 calabash nutmegs. On my sliced plantains, I'm going to add my blended spices. I'm going to add some salt. Just about half a teaspoon. You want the sweetness to be what you actually taste. I'm also going to add some black pepper, about a teaspoon. Black pepper is what we call wisa in Ghana. And now I'm just going to coat my plantains very well with the seasoning. I'm going to let this sit to marinate a little bit whilst I heat up my oil. The oil is hot, and so we can go ahead and fry our kelewele. Always smart to do a test first. You want to make sure your oil is hot, which it is. The less you stir your kelewele, the more chance the spices get to stick on your plantain. Now you can tell we are in serious kelewele business. It's looking so good, almost all done. Just one little stir. I'm gonna give it just about a minute more and then we take it out. Perfectly fried. Gonna bring it out of the oil. So we brought the streets right to your house, perfectly fried. The aroma alone, you should really try it to really know that this really transports you onto the streets of Ghana. Kelewele is typically served with some roasted peanuts. These are home roasted, so just like they would do. So this is how it goes. Top it with some granuts or peanuts. And like I say, if you watch me, you know it already. I don't eat my kelewele with granuts. I eat my granuts with my kelewele. So it has to be lots and lots of granuts on it. And there we go. Now let's do a taste test. So you pick that kelewele, grab some granuts, This is so good. I really hope you try it. Thanks for watching. Kindly give me a thumbs up and share. And until I come your way next time with something delicious, be loving, be kind, be happy.